Hi guy. In this video we take a look at the best outdoor security cameras. When it comes to protecting your home, cameras positioned outdoors provide homeowners and apartment dwellers peace of mind when they're not there. They're even more useful when they're strategically positioned around the home for better vantage points. Whatever you're looking for, we've reviewed dozens of outdoor cameras, from affordable models to highly secure ones, and even nighttime and weatherproof cameras. We put together a list of the best outdoor security cameras, so you can find the right one to monitor your home. The prices of these outdoor security cameras may vary from time to time. To know their exact prices, please visit the product link in the description. Moreover, don't forget to click like and subscribe to get the latest videos about these products. And now, we go to the top 5 best outdoor security cameras. Ranked 5th is the Google Nest Cam Outdoor. The Google Nest Cam has the basic specifications as 1080p HD video, 130-degree wide-angle view and 8x zoom, two-way sound, motion and sound detection, alert to your phone or email, plugs into power. As long as you don't mind it being tethered to a power outlet, the Google Nest Cam Outdoor is the best smart outdoor security camera you can buy. It's easy to install since all you need to do is plug it into a nearby electrical outlet. The Google Nest Cam Outdoor Wi-Fi camera includes everything a DIY surveillance camera should. Crisp 1080p HD video, with a 130-degree wide-angle view, 8x zoom. It has built-in speaker and microphone lets you listen and talk back to visitors. It can look for motion and sound activity and sends an alert to your phone or email. It is weatherproof and plugs into power so you don't have to worry about dead batteries. A subscription to the awesome Nest Aware cloud storage service starts at $6 per month or $60 for an annual subscription. Nest's app is also the most user-friendly and functional of all those we tested. Streaming starts up quickly. Navigation is fluid and natural. That's not so surprising, given that Google is behind its development. The app shows you a live feed from your cameras, and provided you take out a subscription, it allows you to customize your notifications by setting up to 3 active motion zones. Now, let's go over its pros and cons. Pros. Simple installation. Just plug in the cable and adapter, mount the camera, and you're good to go. Crisp 1080p HD camera, 130-degree wide angle, and 8x zoom. Create, save, and share video clips. Customizable activity zones. User-friendly app. Also, its cons like it doesn't use batteries, requires power. Overall, the Google Nest Cam Outdoor is a security camera for clear quality images. With 10 infrared sensors ensure you get decent video quality in complete darkness too, something that cheaper cameras struggle with, while the speaker delivers a clear voice when you talk via your phone. Ranked 4th is the Zumimall wireless rechargeable camera. The Zumimall wireless camera has the basic specifications as 1080p HD camera, two-way talk speaker mic, motion detection and movement alert notifications. 5 months battery life. If you are looking for an easy-to-install camera that is suitable for both indoors and outdoors, Zumimall wireless camera is the one. The Zumimall wireless rechargeable camera has a 6000 mAh battery that can last between 2 to 5 months of use. Hence, you don't have to recharge often. It is built with a 1080p HD camera that provides you with clear and crisp recordings that you can watch remotely in real time through the mobile app Cloud Edge. The images are also recorded in a 130-degree wide-angle view, and the presence of a two-way audio communication makes it possible for users to communicate with whoever is at the door. The camera is capable of night vision and can detect motions at night for a distance of up to 10 meters. The motion or audio detected by the camera then activates the camera for recording. You will receive notifications if anything ever happens. It has an SD card slot that can take up to a 128 GB memory card. The camera footage can also be backed up to a cloud storage platform that users can gain access to via paid subscription. It also has an IP65 rating, which means you don't have to worry about damage coming from the elements. Now, let's go over its pros and cons. Pros: 100% wireless and cordless. That's no wires for Ethernet or internet connections, and no wires for power either. Long-lasting and rechargeable battery, up to 5 months. 1080p HD camera and 130-degree wide angle. It is affordable. Also, its cons like, there's delay in motion detection. Overall, it is great camera for the price. The picture quality is good. It is a great option for protecting your home. UfiCam 2C 2-Cam Kit. The UfiCam 2C has the basic specifications as clear 1080p HD, 3-month local storage, built-in spotlight and siren, speak directly to anyone, 180 days battery life. The UfiCam 2C is a stellar 2-camera kit with a 1080p 135-degree video resolution, 2-way speakers, and facial recognition software. Each camera has a 100 decibel siren, and a built-in spotlight helps you see at night or in low-light conditions. Images and video have full color as well. You can also use the infrared setting. It has a detailed day and nighttime vision, so you can see who comes near your house at all hours. This camera lasts long on a single charge, as you get roughly 180 days worth of use before you have to recharge. All your footage is recorded locally, offering you 3 months of footage via the 16GB ink. Through the app, you can speak directly to whoever comes to your home. The camera can detect animals separately from humans, so you get the notifications you need. You can also customize detection zones. If you wish, you can connect the camera to your Alexa device for more control. Now, let's go over its pros and cons. Pros: long-lasting and rechargeable battery, up to 180 days. Smart image enhancement. Built-in AI technology identifies and focuses on humans. Real-time response. Speak directly to anyone who approaches your home via 2-way audio. Alexa enabled. Connect your devices to Amazon Alexa for complete control over your surveillance. Also, its cons like, the local storage is not large enough. Overall, this is an affordable security camera system, fully wireless design, and a rechargeable battery. It is convenient and easy to install in any home, expanding your system become Ranked second is the Ring Floodlight camera. The Ring Floodlight camera has the basic specifications as 1080 HD video with live view, ultra-bright LED floodlights, advanced motion detection, voice control with Alexa. If you want to upgrade your outdoor security, the Ring Floodlight Cam is a good place to start. The Ring Floodlight Cam combines 2 essential devices in one: a home security camera and a motion-activated floodlight. When the floodlight camera detects movement, it turns on its 2 powerful LED beams as well as its sharp 1080p camera, and starts recording. The floodlight cam also has a loudspeaker, so you can talk to whoever's in front of the camera and hear their responses. Plus, a built-in siren gives you the power to scare away suspicious characters via the Ring app. Its app offers a variety of settings, such as custom motion zones, scheduling and more. Add to that Ring's Neighborhood Watch feature, which lets you see what's happening in your area from other Ring users, as well as from your local police and fire departments. You can also post your own videos to the Neighbors app. You can use Ring Protect Plan, record all your videos, review what you missed for up to 60 days, and share videos and photos. Now, let's go over its pros and cons. Pros: getting the cam online was simple. You have to use the Ring app. Quick notification response time. Receive motion notifications within 5 to 10 seconds of motion being detected. Includes built-in ultra-bright floodlights and a siren. Connects with select Alexa devices to launch on-demand video at the sound of your voice. Also, its cons like, the camera mount has little range of motion. Overall, this is a security camera with a unique design, good night vision, and full of other basic features. Ranked first is the all-new Blink Outdoor security camera. The all-new Blink Outdoor has the basic specifications as wireless connectivity, up to 1080p resolution, get motion detection alerts, works with Alexa, store video clips and photos in the cloud, 2AA lithium batteries. Blink Outdoor is a wireless battery-powered HD security camera that helps you monitor your home day or night with infrared night vision. It produces clear video quality, up to 1080p resolution. You can get motion detection alerts on your phone with the option to customize motion zones in the Blink Home Monitor app, so you're only alerted when you need to be. You can hear, see, and speak to visitors with live view in real time and two-way audio features on your Blink app. It is designed so you can set up yourself in minutes. No wiring. No professional installation required. Works with Alexa. Use your voice to monitor your home through supported Alexa-enabled devices. Store video clips and photos in the cloud with the Blink subscription plan, and save events locally to the Blink Sync module 2 via a USB flash drive. With long-lasting battery life, all new Blink Outdoor runs for up to 2 years on 2AA lithium batteries. Now, let's go over its pros and cons. Pros. Easy to set up. Quality HD picture. Your videos can be stored in the cloud. It is easy to adjust the camera if you wanted to change the angle for a better view. Also, its cons like the audio via the phone app is not loud enough at the cam. Overall, this is a great security camera system. It can track day and night, automatic motion detection and alert sending to you immediately, and a number of other useful features. Of these 5 best outdoor security cameras, we hope you will choose the right outdoor security camera for your home. They have different prices, and prices can change from time to time, so to know the exact price of each product, please visit the link in the description. Any questions? Please leave a comment. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to encourage us and receive the latest videos. Thank you very much.